Hey guys, it's me Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for watching. How are you? Is everything okay? So as you can see, because it's Halloween, this was supposed to be like bats and all, but I flipped it backwards because I didn't want... I'm doing kind of a green and yellow look today, so I didn't want bats to get in the way. Also Hogwarts, yes. First and foremost, I want to do a huge disclaimer that this video will be noisy. You will hear screams and shouts and kids in the background, so let's try to ignore that, please, because I am trying to, and I don't want to die. But there's no running away, because life and kids. So let's get ready. No, wait, I want to prep my face and I want to prime my face, and I'm going with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer right here. Can you see her? Yep, there she is. And I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use my vanish stick. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm going with the Dior Backstage foundation, and I'm neutral and also warm. So how's Halloween? People here in Cambodia are actually very much ready for Halloween. Like wherever you go, there's skulls and pumpkins everywhere you go. This foundation is so light, it's like water, but it's also great because it's water resistant and heat resistant and sweat proof, and it dries down. Like it dries matte, but it doesn't make things like so dry, like you want to rip your face off, which is great. And now I'm gonna sit under the eyes and powder my face with the Laura Mercier powder. Oh no, I forgot concealer. How can you forget concealer? Like, how? My daughter is being so noisy lately. She's been cranky and she's been waking up way too early. She actually sleeps in late, wakes up early, gets cranky all day. Doesn't take a nap in the afternoon. And yeah, I've been living with Satan lately, so that's fun. Also, I actually used my brain, and I actually knew that the problem isn't with my camera. It was with it wasn't with the lighting. It was actually the camera setting. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Powder. I'm gonna put it in the under eye and also here. For brows, you know what I'm using. It's my current favorite. I'm using the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, but first let me just brush these brows. Now we'll use it. You guys, I can't really see. Like, I wear prescription glasses because I have astigmatism. And also I can't see from far away. So basically I'm kind of blind. No offense. And on top of that, those aren't prescription lenses. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is the best clear brow gel I have used, to be honest. The Fenty Beauty Fro. What? Fro? No. Pro Filter Foundation. Gonna pop that right on my eye sockets to prime them. And set that with powder so we can blend easily and nothing sticks on and gets tacky. Even though this foundation is actually matte, you still need to set it so it can be more easier with blending. So today I'm gonna do like a yellow greenish color, because I use, do you know the new Jaclyn Hill Vault palette? the one, I don't know what palette it's called, but the one that has like yellowish greenish shades. So I want to go for like some kind of fun look here. So first I'm going in with this yellow shade. I'm just gonna blend it out on the crease. So I'm still blending this yellow shade, even though it's not pigmented, and I'm taking it okay, so after 3 years of blending, now we're going to the next shade, which is the same shade I used last time, this green shade, but it looks like blue, but it is actually green. So I'm gonna use that. First, I'm gonna take a flat brush to tap the shade in, and then blend things out. And I'm gonna blend it from the bottom and then upwards because I don't want to mess up, you know what I mean? So it'd be easier. Okay, now again, I'm gonna go with this yellow shade again, and I'm gonna blend this from the upper part because this yellow shade is not like, it's not doing anything. So I'm gonna use like this flat brush to go under the lash line, and I'm gonna go with just any dark black shade and just go with it under the lash line. Then I'm gonna grab a pencil brush, buff it out, and then use the green shade again that I use right now. Okay, are we seeing these colors? Like, and I'm going with like a fluffy pencil brush, and I'm dipping in this yellow shade and going all the way. No, just to blend it out. Okay, I need a bigger blending brush using this yellow shade. Okay, now liner, and I'm gonna do like a thick liner. After 10,000 years, I did it. Okay, I did it. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on mascara lashes, and I'll be right back. For lashes, I'm gonna use the House of Lashes and Temptress Wispy. And I am back, and oh my god, these lashes. Yes, House of Lashes. Okay. Let me bronze this. Why did I say it that way? Let me bronze. So for highlight, I'm gonna use 3 because I can and I want to. First, I'm gonna go with the Omrizi. Next, going with the Fenty Beauty, the Trophy Wife. This one right here. And last, I'm going with this one. Yep. I love highlighter. Like, I want people to look at me and say, oh, you're sweating. Oh, do you need some tissue? Oh, the weather is bad. And then I'll just look at them and say, honey, that's just highlighter. Okay, so for lips, I don't know what I want to do, but I think I'm gonna go with, oh, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia matte lipsticks, and this is in the shade, oh my god, I can't see that, soft pink. Oh my god. And since we're doing kind of a Jaclyn Hill inspired look, she loves nudes, so this is kind of a pinkish nude. Oh. And on top, I'm gonna use the shade Kiss. Or should I just leave it like that? Let me see. Set the face. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I did her justice. I wish after this video, or if she ever sees it, she doesn't quit YouTube, because if she quit YouTube, it's because of me. It's because of this look. It's because of what I did. I'm sorry, Jaclyn Hill. But I wanted to try this look because she always has perfect makeup, and whatever color or shades she uses, she's perfect. And yeah, I just wanted to do a Jaclyn Hill inspired look by her new collection by Morphe, the Vault one, but I don't know which palette, and I didn't use that. I just used a similar shades. Turned out it's not the same, of course, it's so patchy, but we'll work with that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.